Flownex 2026 R1 is launching soon. R1 Feature Video 2 highlights the quick Python script and Python console, now enhanced with the Cantera library to easily extend combustion models in Flownex. For all the Python users, the programming language has been added to the new Flownex release to aid in automation, co-simulation, pre- and post-processing, and runtime calculations, making it easier to integrate Python within your Flownex workflows. Firstly, a console version of Python has been added to Flownex, which can be found under the Windows tab. Used for installing additional libraries and ideal for automating tasks through API control like building networks, setting inputs from CSV files, running parametric studies, extracting results, etc. From here, Python scripts can also be loaded and executed. And an added benefit is access to IntelliSense and information for modules and variables. Secondly, a dedicated Python script component has also been added to Flownex, which can be used to easily calculate geometry input parameters, heat transfer correlations, friction factors, heat generation from neutronics calculations, etc., with easy ways to transfer data to and from the Flownex components to the Python environment. Here is an example of a Python script used for a co-simulation between Flownex and Cantera to model the combustion of propane, where all the combustion species are sent to Cantera, and Cantera calculates the combustion temperature along with the associated combustion product gases. This provides a clean and seamless interface that allows you to take your simulations to the next level. If you would like to learn more about this capability, please refer to the release notes or consult the comprehensive manual for in-depth information. Additionally, if you have any questions or would like a demonstration, feel free to reach out to us at flownex.com and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for future updates.